Hello my dear students, today I am going to explain ncert 9th class exercise 2.4 problem number 1 which is on page number 43. In the question it is given that determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. We should find out which of the polynomial is having the factor as x plus 1. Okay, one by one we should use all the here the question means you will find 4 bits in that one. We will check for each and every one. First one, when it will become factor, if the remainder is 0, if the remainder gets 0, then it will be the factor of the polynomial. If the remainder is not getting 0, then it is not the zeros of the polynomial. That means it is not the factor of the polynomial. It is not the factor of polynomial. Come on, we will see one problem. First problem, it is given in the question that x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, in the solution we will make p of x equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 and g of x, it will be g of x. Okay, so x plus 1. Remember, when we use to division, at the time we will see here it will be g of x, here it will be p of x, here it will be q of x, and here it will be r of x. Resultant answer it will be r of x. It will be r of x. So divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder. Okay. So remember this one. Now we will take x plus 1. Okay. X plus 1 equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 1. As we seen in the previous videos, x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. It is as similar as the previous problems. It is as similar as the previous problem. Need not to get confused. Just now what we will do, we will substitute the value of x in the given polynomial. Okay. Now p of x, p of minus 1 equal to, where we are getting x, we should substitute the value of x, that is minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 cube plus of minus 1 square plus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. See, if the numerator, if the power is 3, remember one thing, if the power is even and the base is negative, if the power is even and base is negative, then it will become positive. Okay, if the power is odd and base is negative, the answer will be negative. The answer will be in negative. See here, minus 1 power of 3, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, the answer will be minus 1 only. Okay, so it will be minus 1 plus of, now minus 1 into minus 1 it will be 1, minus 1 into minus 1 it will be 1 plus into minus 1 plus 1. See, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel. What is the answer? 0. Now therefore x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. X plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. X plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Now we will go for the next question. Next, second one, what it is given, x power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. X power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x square plus x plus 1. Now as we did in the previous question, same as it is we have to do p of x equal to, what is p of x? Okay, x power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now g of x, how much it is given? G of x, it is given x plus 1, so we will use x plus 1 for all the problems. X plus 1. Now take this x plus 1, x plus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to, if you are sending this plus towards the right hand side, it will become minus. It will become minus. The answer is minus 1. Now we will substitute the value of x, that is minus 1, in the given polynomial. We should substitute the value of x. Okay. P of minus 1 is equal to, P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 power of 4, minus 1 power of 4 plus of minus 1 power of 3, then plus of minus 1 power of 2 plus of minus 1 then plus 1, minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1. Now minus 1 power of 4, it will be 1. Okay, how it is getting 1? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, it will be 1. Okay, minus 1 power of 3, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, it will be minus 1. It will be minus 1. So plus of minus 1 cube, sorry, minus 1. Then plus of minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, it will be 1. It will be 1. So 1 plus into minus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Now plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. What is remain? 1. What is remain? 1. Now tell me whether it is getting the 0 of the factor of the given polynomial? No, because the remainder is 1. If the remainder is getting 0, then only we can say that factor of the given polynomial. Here remainder is 1, so it is not the factor of given polynomial. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. X plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Okay. Now we will go for the third question. In this one, same question, third. Okay. Here it is given x power of 4 plus 3x power of 3 plus 3x square plus x plus 1. So p of x equal to x power of 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1 plus x plus 1. Now g of x, it is given x plus 1. Now x plus 1 equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to, it will be minus 1, x is equal to, it is minus 1. Now we are going to substitute the value of x, that is minus 1, in the given polynomial. What is the polynomial given here? P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 power of 4 plus 3 into minus 1 power of 3 plus 3 into minus 1 power of 2 plus of minus 1 and plus 1, plus of minus 1 plus 1. Now 1 power of 4, it will be 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 into 1 plus into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 make it cancel 0, no problem. Now 1 plus into minus 3 plus 3. Okay. Now plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. What is remain? 1. What is remain? 1. Now tell me whether is it a factor of given polynomial? No. Therefore, g of x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. X plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Last question. Fourth, it is given x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2 plus root 2. How to do this problem? Remember one thing. P of x already we know, that is x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2x plus root 2. Now g of x, it is getting g of x is equal to g of x equal to x plus 1. That is x plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. What is the value of x? That is minus 1. X, the value of x is minus 1. As we did previous, substituting the value, p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 power of 3 minus of minus 1 square minus 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 plus root 2 plus root 2. Okay. Now minus 1 power of 3, it will be minus 1 minus into 1. Okay. Now minus into plus, it will be minus 2 minus into plus, it will be minus root 2 plus root 2. minus 1 plus 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Okay. Now minus 1 minus 1. I said you previous also. If it is getting example minus 3 minus 2 minus 4, there is no multiplication or division in this one. So we will put 1 minus and we will add 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 it is 9. Okay, like that. Here also minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. How much it is? How many times it is getting root 2? 2 times. 2 root 2 plus root 2 minus root 2. Sorry, minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. Remain 2 root 2. Now tell me whether is it a factor? No, it is not factor because the resultant answer is 2 root 2. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Okay. Hope everyone understood. Please keep watching my videos. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, share my videos, like my videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.